Dear kids, today we learn action word with sentences. So let's start. I am walking. I am walking. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am crawling. I am crawling. I am writing. I am writing. I am studying. I am studying. I am singing. I am singing. I am sliding. I am sliding. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am eating. I am eating. I am fishing. I am fishing. I am thinking. I am thinking. I am trying. I am trying. I am smiling. I am smiling. I am crying. I am crying. I am working. I am working. I am waiting. I am waiting. I am smelling. I am smelling. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am washing. I am washing. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. I am vacuuming. I am vacuuming. I am sweeping. I am sweeping. I am mopping. I am mopping. I am yawning. I am yawning. I am shouting. I am shouting. I am listening. I am listening. I am feeling. I am feeling. I am lifting. I am lifting. I am catching. I am catching. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am flying. I am flying. I am watching cartoon. I am watching cartoon. I am skipping. I am skipping. I am going to school. I am going to school. I am eating ice cream. I am eating ice cream. I am playing in rain. I am playing in rain. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am snoring before sleep. I am snoring before sleep.